This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Carolyn Lewis. Discover the ultimate Florida lifestyle in this immaculate, maintenance-free villa, perfectly situated with serene conservation views. This charming 3-bedroom, 2-bath home with an attached 2-car garage offers modern upgrades throughout, including ceramic tile in all wood areas, granite countertops, and elegant wood cabinetry in the kitchen, complemented by sleek stainless steel appliances. Located in the sought-after Ashton Oaks community, residents enjoy a low HOA fee of just $239 monthly, which covers access to the community pool, lawn care, exterior repainting, and roof maintenance. Plus, there's no CDD fee. This beautiful villa has a new roof, June 2025, neutral paint throughout, and updated AC unit, August 2024. The home is move-in ready and comes with $2,500 credit to complete your Florida room. With convenient proximity to major roads, shopping, great schools, restaurants, and healthcare facilities, this beautiful home combines comfort, convenience, and value. Don't miss your chance to own this exceptional property. Schedule your showing today. For more information.